befitting to hear a woman who's come a long, long way and has empowered many other lives, Taapsee Pannu.
Such a pleasure. Good evening, everyone. I'll start with a few lines that are my favorite when it comes to such gatherings. Countless female goddesses, but still we are fighting equality, fighting for equality. The same womb which gives birth is not allowed to probably enter the most auspicious of places during those taboo 5 days of your month. And we have reached moon, planning to reach some of the galaxies for that matter, and we are still talking about women empowerment. But here we are, looking at the glass half full today with all these beautiful women out here. I'm just so privileged standing here. You'll probably see me. I think my media friends will probably vouch for this fact that I'm seen more in such gatherings than in my filmy dues, because this truly makes me feel special and that I've achieved something in life beyond just the work I do. So thank you so much. And he for she, I am just so happy to know about this initiative by UN. And there are a lot of he's in my life who've helped me stand here and be of significance for all of you to be looking at me right now. Starting with my dad, who probably just, in a very filmy way, said, "Ja Simran, ji le apni zindagi," who let me do whatever I wanted to without questioning whatever I wanted to do. And after that, yeah, of course, my directors, be it in South, Raghavendra Rao Garu or Vetrimaran in South, and David Dhawan, who gave me a chance to start off my Hindi film career, to Shujit Sarkar, who gave me a Pink, to Neeraj Pandey, who gave me a Baby, and Naam Shabana, because of which I am of certain relevance when it comes to women empowerment, and many more. I'm sure, I hope the ones that are coming up also stand the test of time. But thank you so much to all these men. I'm sure we cannot make this change on our own. We definitely need help. It should not just be she for she, or for that matter, only men for women, he for she. It should be we for she. But hats off to you and De Beers to be a part of this initiative. Extremely happy to know that. And yeah, finally, thank you, Shanna ma'am, for making me a part of this gathering. I might be the youngest or the junior most one out here. Just quite intimidating gathering. But all I can say is, I promise that I will do whatever is in my capacity to make sure all of our battles are worth it. We have a long, long fight ahead, but we are not going to give up. Thank you. I'm an actress or no doesn't really matter. Just that I'm happy that I'm relevant for people to listen कि मैं क्या बोलना चाहती हूँ इस टॉपिक पर. तो बुलाते हैं मुझे ऐसे इवेंट्स पे, और ऐसे इवेंट्स पे जाना ज़्यादा स्पेशल बन जाता है क्योंकि आप अपने काम से कुछ है मतलब. तो अब जाके स्पेशली ऐसी औरतों से मिलना जिन्होंने अपने फील्ड में कुछ अचीव किया है, और वो मुझसे काफ़ी सीनियर और मुझसे काफ़ी अक्लेम, मैं उनको हमेशा मानती हूँ। मैंने तो शायद शुरुआत ही करी है, उन्होंने काफ़ी कुछ अकम्प्लिश कर लिया है, बट एक तरह की इंकरेजमेंट होती है कि ठीक है, तुम इस गैदरिंग में होने लायक हो और कुछ करने लायक हो आगे। तो वही कह सकती हूँ, ऐसी गैदरिंग में आके एक जज्बा और एक जोश आ जाता है कि तुम जिस डायरेक्शन में चल रहे हो वो अच्छा है और चलते रहो उस डायरेक्शन में। मैंने अपना ओपिनियन अपने सोशल मीडिया पे वहाँ पे डाला था कि ये एक कोई भूल गया है क्या कि लड़की की बात हो रही है। मेरे को तो सडनली लड़की से ज़्यादा सिर्फ एक रिलीजन की आवाज़ सुनाई ज़्यादा दे रही है। तो वो मुझे तो एक से ज़्यादा डिसबिलीफ होता है कि ऐसी बातें हो रही हैं। सो इस टाइम पे सब ये लग रहा है कि बहुत हमने ना एक लड़की को, अपनी एक सिटीज़न को बहुत बुरा और एकदम वर्थलेस फील कराया है ऐसी बातें कर भी। तो आई जस्ट होप कि जल्द से जल्द किसी भी तरह का उसको जस्टिस मिले, इतनी ही प्रे या उम्मीद कर सकती हूँ। उससे ज़्यादा तो अब मजाक बन चुका है इस चीज़ का।